kadalasan, ikaw rin ang nagiging sentro ng pinakamatitinding kontrobersya. Sa kaso ni Rachel Ann Go, all these factors are true. Lalo pat kamakailan ay may sa publikong ilang personal na pinagdaraanan ni Rachel Ann, tulad ng hiwalayan nila ni John Pratt. At recently, pinagbulong-bulungan ang umunoy pagiging sobrang maalaga raw sa kanya ni Cesar Montano nang magkasama sila sa isang show abroad. Ang huling catch sa pagiging most requested talent, you give the fans what they ask for. Lalapat ko ang hinihingi nila ay ang pagsugot mo sa lahat ng intriga, once and for all. Tuluyan na nga ba siyang naapektuhan ng lahat ng mga intriga? Dito lang magkakaalaman, live and exclusive kasama si Rachel Ann Go sa MRT, Most Requested Talent. One of the most talented and one of the most controversial, Miss Rachel Ann Go.
Hello.
Welcome here on Silver Central.
Good afternoon. Thank you, Raymond. Thank you.
I'm glad that you're finally here speaking about everything live kasi alam ko for the past how many weeks, naging laman ka rin ng mga intriga at kontrobersya and finally you're speaking out.
Yes,
So
kailangan.
simulan na natin. Rachel Ann, ito alam ko because you went through a breakup with John Pratt. Hindi naman naitago yun sa publiko. Have you seen John Pratt since your breakup?
Not yet. Not yet. Hindi pa rin kami nag-usap. So, wala.
Can you say that you've completely moved on from that relationship?
Yes, I am okay now. With the help of my family and friends, of course, lahat ng prayers nila, nakatulong talaga yon, yung support nila sa akin. And I'm okay now. I'm happy.
We're happy that you're happy.
Thank you.
Ano yung natutunan mo out of everything?
Natutunan kong maging masaya at respetuhin yung sarili muna bago yung ibang tao, syempre. And kailangan yung tiwala, yung trust na ibibigay mo sa tao, dapat yung pag-aalayan mo ng trust na yun, dapat deserving din, diba? So, ayun, kilalanin maigi yung mga taong nasa paligid at huwag agad-agad magtitiwala. Dahil dito sa industriya natin, napakahirap talaga magulo.
Kung sakali lang, Rachel Ann, na magkita kayo ni John, alam ko kabilang stasyon siya, so it's gonna be very rare. But just in case na magkita kayo, ano sa tingin mo ang mangyayari?
I don't know. Pero feeling ko, kasi ano naman wala na yung bitterness. Wala Kumbaga, kakausapin ko, mag-hi ako, okay na naman. So.
Okay. Let's move on. Kasi may bago na namang controversy about you. Hindi pa tapos yung isa, may bago na naman. Naliling ka daw kay Cesar Montano.
Oo nga daw.
Ano ang naging unang reaksyon mo nung itong nasulat itong mga ganitong balita?
When I heard it, sabi ko, joke ba to? Feeling ko isa siyang malaking joke. Tapos hanggang sa marami na nga lumaki na yung issue, kumalat na, marami na nagtatanong sa akin. Parang nagtataka ako saan nanggaling yung issue. So yun.
So looking back, saan ba kayo nagsama ni Cesar Montano? Ano itong sinasabi ng tao na extra maalaga daw siya sa'yo? Saan ba kayo nagsama?
Well, we had a show in Canada. 2 weeks ago siguro. Para yung sa GMA Pinoy TV.
Okay.
Tapos nagkaroon kami ng duet. 2 shows kasi yun magkasunod na araw. Tapos yung kinanta namin love song. So, kumakanta kami. Hawak kamay, alam mo yun, talagang trabaho, ganun. And, ayun, yun lang naman yung doon lang kami naghawak ng kamay sa stage. Yun lang.
Do you think may awkwardness between you and Cesar now because ang dami mga naglalabasan or wala naman?
Wala naman. Saka after naman ng mga issues, ngayon hindi pa naman po kami nakikita. Pero sabi ni Kuya nga na pasensya na, gano'n. Pinasabi niya. So.
Okay, one of the most requested songs that you sing on Party Pilipinas is Someone Like You by Adele, which I love and very popular right now. Meron bang meaning itong kanta na ito sa'yo? Someone Like You?
Someone Like You? Sa akin ngayon, wala. Kasi pag kinakanta ko yung song, parang hindi nga nag-work before So why would I ask for someone, na pareho rin, diba, nung sa past ko. So, someone better, syempre, hihilingin ko sa buhay ko. Pero marami lang kasi nagre-request nitong nitong song na ito.
Katulad ko, can you give us a few lines naman? of this
Sige.
song by Adele.
Hindi ako ready, yes. Yeah, ayan. Never might I find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you. Don't forget me, I remember you said sometimes you're late to love, but sometimes it hurts instead. Sometimes you're late to love, but sometimes it hurts instead.
Wow. Thank you so much for that, Rachel.
Thank you very much.
Alam ko you have a new album out, and it's called Unbreakable. Do you think at this point in your life, you are unbreakable?
I am unbreakable, yes. With God, syempre.
Yes.
Oo.
And alam ko, can you invite everybody to get a copy of your album?
Yes, everyone. I'm inviting you guys to please get a copy of my latest album. This is my 6th album under Viva Records. Ang title po nito ay Rachel Ann Unbreakable. And meron po akong ginawang song dito. Original composition ko po. Ang title po niyan, Whispered Fear. And ang aking pong carrier single, yung Masasabi Mo Ba, na ginawa po ni Mr. Benny Saturno. So, there.
Okay, I'm going to ask you to sing a song from your album, but before I do that, I just have one last question. Rachel Ann, are you ready to be in a relationship right now, or are you going to be single for a while?
I'm gonna be single for a while, yes.
Okay,
I'm gonna
there
wait
you
for
go.
the right time, yes.
There you go. All right, please give us a sample of your first single. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Rachel Ann, go. Habang buhay kailangan ikaw ang nasa ko, hanggang sa kailan ay hindi magbabago. Masasabi mo bang dahil ako sa bawat sandali ibigin mo at di pagpapalit.
Kamakailan lamang nag-uwi muli ng tagumpay bilang Best Actress si Miss Eugene